provides some handy shortcuts called expansions, and you may already be familiar with one of them. It's called. If you've ever used the tilde character to represent your home directory, you've used tilde expansion. The tilde character represents the value of the user's home variable. The tilde followed by a dash or minus represents the bash variable called old pwd, which is the directory that you were just in if you've recently changed directories. There are some other features as well, and I encourage you to check out the documentation for tilde expansion to learn more. I'll step into the fruit directory here. Another handy type of expansion is called brace expansion. This is written with braces around an expression, and it can help with repeated commands with different terms or interpolation within a range. Let's say I wanted to create a bunch of files, but I didn't want to type each command to do so. With brace expansion, I can type touch, apple, banana, cherry, durian, and I can see that that created 4 files. Of course, I could do that with touch just by itself, but I can use interpolation for things that I really don't want to type out each time. Let's say I want to create 1,000 files. It would be a little tedious to touch each of those individually, so I can type touch, and then the beginning of the file name, file underscore, this can be whatever you want, 1.1000, and close the brace, and then when I list the directory, there's 1,000 new files.